Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are still currently at Fusion Resort in Phu Quoc, but we're about to jump to Ho Chi Minh City. Let's go. Right, so we're back in Ho Chi Minh City. Let's get started with the apartment tour. Right guys, we'll be honest, it's a few days later that we're filming this, but yeah.
Before we start the apartment tour and go upstairs, we're going to just quickly show you what's around downstairs, what they have on offer here. So behind us we have the Miami gym, which is really cool. I'll put some b-roll over now so you can see inside, but it has absolutely everything you need in terms of equipment. It's even got some powerlifting equipment and a really nice stretch area. Yeah, so we thoroughly enjoy our time training at that gym.
Let's go show you the kinds of shops you can find around here.
So we're standing on the corner of our complex now, and behind us we've got one of the shops. It's one of the tea cafes, and further down this road there's a Highlands Coffee. So very convenient, within 2-minute walks from your apartment. You can grab a coffee or a tea. Then across the road behind me we have Lotteria, which is quite a popular fast food chain. We're not exactly sure what it tastes like because we haven't tried it out yet, but it kind of looks like a mix between a KFC and a McDonald's.
Here is our pho place. We can get Vietnamese pho.
And Alex is a big lover of pho, and he says it's his favorite pho so far in Vietnam.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
Okay, so we live in New City in District 2, and these are some of the places that you can find around here. There is a bank, there's a pharmacy behind us, there's a kindergarten, a whole bunch of cafes and things, and there's 24-hour little mini marts, so that's fantastic. You can get little groceries and snacks and drinks at any time of the day, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this is a big open space. There's a lot of kids that come and play here and rollerblade and have some fun. A lot of the families hang out around here at nighttime. It's pretty cool. Over there is Toby's house, the coffee and tea place. It's a really cool place to go and work with your laptop. Okay, let's go take you to where we get our groceries. So this is Queensland. It is a coffee shop and a restaurant, and then next door is the mart where we get all of our groceries.
Behind us here we've got a nice lovely big park. Lots of people just go fishing there and just relax. We had a nice walk around the park just the other day, and it was really nice to actually get outside and relax. And just behind us, down in the distance, you can see the landmark 81 tower. So we're not too far away from all the hustle and the bustle. Now we're gonna head up to the apartment. Let's go check it out. Here we've got another one of the 24-hour convenience stores. And it has basically everything you need. A bit too convenient for those Oreo ice creams. This is the parking area for all the bikes. When we had a bike, we used to park it over here.
Okay, welcome to our apartment. So as you come in, we've got the laundry room on the right, and this pretty little shelf with the coolest lights. Yay, pretty. We picked up this little Vietnamese hat at the Binh Tan street market. You'll be seeing that in the upcoming YouTube videos. Okay, then on the left we have the spare bathroom. It has a shower, a toilet and a sink. We have a 4-seater dining room table, and then behind me is the lounge. We have a 50-inch TV, I think. And then there is our balcony. haven't bought much furniture for the patio because we're not really sure if we should invest much in this apartment because we actually don't know how long we will be here for. But it's a nice sized balcony and the view is awesome. And then we have an Apple TV here that plugs into the TV and keeps us entertained. We watch Netflix and YouTube on that. And then Rhett's naughty PlayStation 4. And then this is our bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. So we have our own TV in our room and it's a smart TV so we can watch Netflix and YouTube here. We've got a queen size bed and beautiful big windows with a beautiful view again. To my left is the kitchen. This place was semi-furnished, so we had to buy a whole bunch of stuff for the kitchen like bowls and plates and glasses, utensils, cutlery. But we got the fridge and the microwave and all of that. And then over here is the spare bedroom. This was actually our roommate Alexa's bedroom. We miss her a lot. This room also has a queen size bed and it's got a little dressing table area, some cupboards and some shelves, and also a not so bad view. So for anyone that wants to visit us, this will be your bed for a little while. I don't know if you guys saw this, but this is our little whiteboard with our YouTube to-do list to film and to edit. As you can see, there's tons of videos. Yeah, we're pretty behind, but we will be catching up soon. So there's tons of videos that are still to come out. So subscribe if you want to check them out.
Okay guys, so that's going to conclude our apartment tour. Just to cover some of the details, we are in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and we currently pay $700 for rent for this apartment. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a laundry, a little patio. So we think that's a pretty good price, especially since it comes fully furnished. All you need to do is basically buy a few plates and kitchenware. It's got some really great facilities downstairs, like you saw. We got the gym, we got the swimming pool, there's a park, there's a whole bunch of amenities, pharmacy, a lot of coffee shops and fruit and juice bars. So overall we're very happy here. We're going to be here till February 2020. So this will be our base and we'll be teaching and working from here. On top of the rent, we pay for electricity. That's not included, so electricity and water, and that's roughly 1 million dong a month. And then also we had to pay 4 million dong for the year for our internet, which is a 50 megabit line, 50 up and down. So it's really stable, really good. So if you're going to be online teaching or doing anything like that, you're all sorted. It's got 3 air conditioners as well. Overall, fantastic place, so we're very happy. Hope you guys enjoyed the apartment tour. Stay tuned for future videos. Like Claire said, we got a whole bunch of videos lined up and we will be editing them and getting them out as soon as possible. So if you guys liked the video, please don't forget to like it. It really helps us grow the channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
So we'll see you guys next time.